Good afternoon, everyone. On behalf of Book Running Lead Manager, Aryaman Financial Services Limited, I, Deepak Biyani, welcome you all in this press meet of Indo Equipment Limited. The IPO is scheduled to open on 31st of this month and will close on 2nd of January. It has been almost 2 decades since a company of this sector has been on the stock exchange platform to raise the fund. I would like to introduce the dignitary on the dais, to start with Sri R.S. Singh, Chairman and Managing Director. R.S. Khadwalia ji, Chairman and Managing Director of the company. Mr. Anshul Khadwalia, Mr. Shubham Khadwalia, the CFO of the company, Mr. Varun Sharma, and the CFO of the subsidiary company, that is NBFC company, Mr. Chadha ji. Now, I request Mr. Khadwalia ji, Chairman and Managing Director of the company, to take start this press meet. Anshul ji.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am extremely thankful for participating in this historical meet of Indo Tractors. I would like to brief regarding my background, how I started this venture. I am son of farmer, first generation entrepreneur, and the first engineer from my family. I am born and brought up in a village, tiny village in Haryana. I have got some aspiration that I have to do something better in my life, and mainly to contribute to the farming community from where I belongs, and really I have to give back something to community. With this purpose, it is always remain in my mind, and by chance I got an opportunity to join a tractor company from my college only. I worked with a tractor company for 4 years, plus 4 years. It was that time as a Eicher Good Earth Limited. Now it is Eicher. Now it's a part of TAFE Group. And working there almost 4 years. Then I started some other trading business for almost 14 years. But the purpose was in the mind that I was not, really, I don't want to continue my career in the trading and other business. Of course, trading, I had done very high level of trading. Then finally in 99, I decided that I had to go in manufacturing, and I opted tractor, which was very close to my heart. And then I found out a very good partner that I want to make a very good tractor, so that because the market was already little crowded, if some product I had to make, it should be of the very good quality. Something plus has to be offered in the market, then only we'll able to succeed. With this thought in mind, we find a partner, European company, to give the engine technology. Engine technology we acquired from there, and balanced transmission was designed by our team. I had a very good professional who was the responsible and man behind the Swaraj, making Swaraj as a brand in this country, Mr. Mahajan. He was our technical advisor at that time when we started. And like this we started. The beginning was very great. We were able to make a very good tractor. It is accepted everywhere. Rather Gujarat also we are setting good numbers. And up to 2006-07, the company was doing extremely well. And after that, some retail financing issues. And then we pivoted our business in construction equipment, because the construction equipment is a very flourishing sector, and we are expecting one day, sooner or later, the infra has to be built up if we are to grow. And that's after, it's a good thing that after changing, after coming new government, that this current government has given a lot of focus on the infra, and after 2014, infra demand increases. And initially, we started working in this construction equipment business in 2008. Few years, we developed the good range of product. We have validated the product, and we have made a very good product. But when we designed the product, we made the product, we have made with some very good features which was not available in the industry. And the industry has accepted our product, but because of some taxation issues, we couldn't grow in this sector, and our capacity was very limited. Because main plant, we got 5 acres of land there. Main plant is put for tractor, and tractor facility was created. A lot of backward integration we have done. Backward integration, of course, we have done, so that we'll be able to make more product, more competitive, and able to maintain a better quality. And but 2017, after GST coming, GST in regime, every company become at par, and that issue of the disadvantage of the taking input credit and all was over. And after 2017, my younger son Shubham Khadwalia has also joined this business. He has taken the command of this business. That time it was a 30 crore business. The last year it has crane business has done almost 170 crore business and almost contributed 50% of our revenue. This year maybe probably we are doing 60% plus revenue from the construction equipment business, crane business. It is growing much faster. Competition is little less comparable to tractor. Of course, tractor is also a good product, but there is little more competition, and retail financing issues are also there in tractor. Now, I would like to tell you that we have made the complete product range of tractor from 16 horsepower to 110 horsepower. We can sell, we can cater the almost 90% market in India and globally also. So that kind of product we are having. Till now we are not focusing in export also too much, because we were thinking, the India is also a big market, but now we want to focus on export also as far as tractor concerned. But the crane remain, from 17 to this year, we are working on almost full capacity. Our initial capacity was 720 cranes, but later on we increased, and this year 1280 cranes, little bit production has been increased by doing some little arrangement and adding some machines. And 1280 machines will be definitely selling. Last year the capacity was 900 something only, and we worked on almost 100% capacity only. So crane, the acceptance is very good, the product is very good. It was the only capacity constraint. Now we are coming in the market, raising money, and the utilization of this money is going in the building a crane new factory. The government has given us 60 more acre land. There in 30 acre, we are putting a new plant, state-of-art new plant. In fact, the back end is not an issue. That is because it is being supplied by the tractor company, tractor plant, that is engine and transmission. But the main issue, because in the crane, a lot of fabrication is required. A very big fabrication portion is required. That fabrication, modern fabrication shop, we are going to put it there. And in this modern fabrication shop, good painting and the very space layout, so that we'll be able to, in that capacity, we'll be able to produce 3,600 numbers per annum. And additional to this 1280. So we'll be creating capacity of almost 5,000 cranes per annum. With this, and in the future, we are also increasing the bigger size cranes. With the bigger size crane, the sale realization each crane will be more. Now it is around 18 lakh. It is going to be maybe 25 lakh in the when our new capacity start. This year also we are expecting around 20 lakh rupees because some bigger cranes we started making. This is about this thing. Now let me introduce my elder son Anshul Khadwalia. Is studied from UK and he has joined the business in 2012. He is heading the tractor business. He is looking after the total operations of tractor, including marketing. And my younger son, Subham Khadwalia, he after doing his masters again from UK, he joined in 2017, 16 and 17 he has taken the command of this construction equipment business and export business of the company. We got a parallel because in tractor we were having little issues of the retail financing. Retail financing means final financing which is a customer required to buy our tractors. We were not growing our numbers. Then we thought let us, because we have made a very good product. Being I am a technocrat, the product is appreciated by even all the market. And the finance we are lacking, then we started our own NBFC. With the support of own NBFC, we are able to sell very good numbers in the mature market. Haryana and Punjab supposed to be very mature market for tractor. If any tractor is acceptable in Haryana and Punjab market, so it is accepted everywhere because those are very mature market. So we are selling more numbers there. Seeing our numbers and with the support of our own NBFC, the other bank also recently, about 4 months back, also started supporting us. That is bigger banks, HDFC and Kotak, all big banks, they started supporting us. Like this, they'll support us in tractor business also. So Anshul is in charge of tractor business and Subham is in charge of crane business basically. So this is, I would like to request you to give them your blessing. They are new person, lot of good energy, so that they'll be able to create this company, whatever the platform as a technocrat I had made it, built up. They'll be able to make this company a great company. Any of our employees who associate with us, basically any employees, any supplier, any vendor and shareholder, they should feel privileged one day that I am associated with a very good company, very good brand. That kind of company we want to build up with your support, kind support. Thank you, my sir. Thanks a lot, sir. Now, Anshul ji will just explain about the tractor business.
जय श्री कृष्णा, केम छो? आप सब लोगों का हार्दिक स्वागत करते हैं, अभिनंदन करते हैं. Sir, today is a moment of great pride for us at Indo Farm as we embark on the significant journey with our initial public offering. Since our inception, Indo Farm has committed to deliver excellent and world-class agriculture and construction equipment to our customers. Over the years, we have established a strong presence in India and globally and earned the trust of our stakeholders, customers and partners. As we take this step forward, our IPO represents more than just a financial milestone. It signifies the next chapter in Indo Farm's growth story. The proceeds from this offering will help us expand our operations, invest in cutting-edge technologies, and strengthen our product portfolio. We are honored to have you here today to witness this pivotal moment. Your support and confidence are invaluable to us. Our team is here to address your questions and provide you with insights about our business. Once again, I would like to thank you for being a part of this historic occasion. Can I just request to play the corporate AV, please?
With ever-increasing demand for food production, agricultural machinery the world over has become an essential part of the farming process. In India, the growth outlook for tractors is bolstered by robust domestic demand and improved private investment. The positives for farm equipment include growing demand for food, sustainable farming practices, steady growth in farmers' income, and government incentives such as availability of credit, subsidies, and reduced import taxes. Incorporated in 1994, Indo Farm Equipment Limited is an integrated and established manufacturer of pick and carry cranes and tractors. In addition, over the years, the company has created a fully integrated ecosystem for ensuring high quality products and financial support for customers. By launching in 2017 an in-house NBFC for providing retail financing for tractors, the company has served around 6,000 active customers. Among mobile cranes, pick and carry cranes are the most popular because of the flexibility of use that they provide. Indo Farm Equipment Limited supply cranes to industries and corporate players nationwide. These cranes are used extensively throughout engineering, construction and infrastructure, mining and materials handling, utility and maintenance work. Catering to the market, the company has increased its installed capacity of pick and carry cranes to 1,280 units during fiscal 2024 itself, ranging from 9 tons to 30 tons capacity. The company has acquired industrial land with an intent to set up an additional dedicated pick and carry crane manufacturing unit and increase capacity by an additional 3,600 units per annum. Our chairman, coming from a rural background, has always dreamed of providing world-class agricultural and construction equipment and envisioned to contribute to nation building. Towards this end, we have grown from a single model of 50 horsepower to now manufacturing tractors from 16 horsepower to 110 horsepower. Indo Farm Equipment Limited's ISO 9001-2015 certified manufacturing facilities located at Baddi, Himachal Pradesh includes a captive foundry unit, a machine shop, a gear shop, a hydraulic component shop, sheet metal and fabrication shop for assembling tractors, pick and carry cranes and other equipment. These integrated operations allow the company to manufacture some critical machine components in-house. Over 330 components used in making tractors and over 190 components for cranes are manufactured in-house. As on September 30th, 2024, the company's production facilities had a capacity to manufacture 12,000 tractors and 1,280 pick and carry cranes per annum. With a marketing network of 175 pan-India dealers, Indo Farm Equipment Limited supplies its products to various countries around the world. Indo Farm Equipment Limited, a company that will grow along with the sector.
सो इंडो फार्म हमारी एक बहुत बड़ी स्ट्रेंथ ये है कि हम एक फुली इंटीग्रेटेड, फुली बैकवर्ड एंड फॉरवर्ड इंटीग्रेटेड मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्लांट है. हमारा प्लांट बद्दी में सिचुएटेड है जो डिस्ट्रिक्ट सोलन में है. वहाँ पर हमारे पास ऑलमोस्ट 100 एकड़ के लैंड रिसोर्स हैं. हमारी करंट कैपेसिटी 12,000 ट्रैक्टर्स पर एनम और 1,280 क्रेन्स पर एनम की हमारी एग्जिस्टिंग कैपेसिटी है. हमारी करंट एम्प्लॉय स्ट्रेंथ ओवर अराउंड 1,000 एम्प्लॉयज है. यस, हमारा करंट डीलर नेटवर्क 159 ट्रैक्टर्स डीलर्स और 16 डीलर्स में स्प्लिट है. आप देख सकते हैं कि कंपनी की ग्रोथ ओवर द इयर्स स्टेडी है बट कंसिस्टेंट है. हमारे जो भी IPO से प्रोसीड्स होंगे उसमें से कंपनी 70 करोड़ रुपीस इन्वेस्ट करेगी एक नए क्रेन की फैक्ट्री में. 50 करोड़ रुपीस इन्वेस्ट होगा हमारे शॉर्ट टर्म बोरोइंग्स की रीपेमेंट में. 45 करोड़ रुपीस इन्वेस्ट होगा हमारी कैप्टिव NBFC में जिससे ट्रैक्टर सेल्स को बूस्ट मिलेगा. और जो रिमेनिंग प्रोसीड्स हैं वो हमारे जनरल कॉर्पोरेट पर्पस के लिए है. इंडो फार्म के ब्रॉड 3 वर्टिकल्स हैं, ट्रैक्टर्स, क्रेन्स एंड आर NBFC विच इज़ बरोटा फाइनेंस. I'm changing सर. हमारा ट्रैक्टर का ट्रेडमार्क इंडो फार्म है, हमारा क्रेन का ट्रेडमार्क इंडो पावर है. सो जैसा कि आप इंडो फार्म के बारे में हमने आपको बताया, हमारे चेयरमैन एक इंजीनियर हैं, वो टेक्नोक्रेट हैं. उनका ये बहुत विजन रहा है कि मेरे को एक वर्ल्ड क्लास ट्रैक्टर बनाना है. इसीलिए हमने बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग और हैवी इन्वेस्टमेंट की है अपने प्लांट में. हमें गर्व होता है ये बताते हुए कि हम ऐसी कंपनी है जिसके पास अपनी खुद की फाउंड्री है जहाँ पे हम 100 से ज़्यादा कंपोनेंट्स इवन इंक्लूडिंग एक्सेल्स, ट्रांसमिशन, गियर बॉक्स, इंजन ब्लॉक्स, ये सब हम खुद बनाते हैं. हमारे पास अपना मशीनिंग सेंटर है जिसमें ऑलमोस्ट 100 से ज़्यादा मशीन्स हैं। हमारे पास अपनी खुद की गियर शॉप है, खुद की शीट मेटल शॉप है, खुद की हाइड्रोलिक शॉप है। तो इस तरीके से कंपनी ने बहुत तरीके से अपने प्लांट में इन्वेस्ट किया है ताकि हम देश के हर किसान के लिए उसको सही ट्रैक्टर उपलब्ध करा सकें। और इसी इन्वेस्टमेंट की देन है कि आज मार्केट की एवर चेंजिंग नीड्स को हम बहुत अच्छे से और समय के अनुसार केटर कर सकते हैं। जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं कि हमारा जो ट्रैक्टर और क्रेन का बिजनेस है ये उसका स्प्लिट है। हमारी शुरुआत तो एक ट्रैक्टर कंपनी से हुई थी, बट अभी हम एक क्रेन कंपनी बनते जा रहे हैं। आप देखेंगे कि हमारा क्रेन डिपार्टमेंट कितनी तेज़ी से बढ़ रहा है, और जैसे हमारे चेयरमैन सर ने बताया, इस साल ऑलमोस्ट हम 60% बिजनेस क्रेन के साथ करेंगे। ये हमारी कंपनी के कुछ माइलस्टोन्स हैं। हमने एक सिंगल मॉडल से शुरुआत किया था और आज हमने हिंदुस्तान की वन ऑफ द लार्जेस्ट रेंज डेवलप की है। ट्रैक्टर्स में हम 16 HP से लेके 100 HP तक के ट्रैक्टर बनाते हैं। क्रेन्स में हम 9 टन से लेके 30 टन तक का 30 टन की कैपेसिटी के लिए हम क्रेन्स बनाते हैं। ट्रैक्टर की पूरी रेंज हमारी 4 व्हील ड्राइव में भी अवेलेबल है, और अप टू 45 हॉर्स पावर हमारे पास 2 तरह के इंजन्स भी हैं। सर, कंपनी के कुछ माइलस्टोन्स में से कुछ बहुत जो क्रिटिकल इंपॉर्टेंट माइलस्टोन्स मानते हैं, 2017 में हमारी खुद की कैप्टिव NBFC का लॉन्च करना, वो हमारे लिए बहुत बड़ा माइलस्टोन था। और 2022 में हमने अपने एक ट्रैक्टर के लिए यूरोपियन सर्टिफिकेशन को अचीव किया, वो हमारे लिए डेफिनेटली बहुत बड़ा माइलस्टोन है। एक स्पेसिफिक गार्डन ट्रैक्टर है जिसको अब हम यूरोप में भी बेच सकेंगे, और अब हम उम्मीद करते हैं ये आने वाला IPO हमारे लिए अगेन इस कंपनी के लिए बहुत ऐतिहासिक माइलस्टोन होगा। सर, ये हमारे अभी हमारे पास बद्दी में कुल 100 एकड़ के अराउंड का लैंड बैंक है। ये हमारा एक 30 एकड़ फैसिलिटी का एक एरियल व्यू है। इसमें बस हमारा फाउंड्री कवर नहीं है क्योंकि वो थोड़ा सा साइड में है वो प्लांट। और राइट साइड में अभी आप हमारा डीलर और डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन नेटवर्क देख सकते हैं। अभी हम बहुत थोड़े से एरिया में कवर करते हैं। हमारा ट्रैक्टर बिजनेस मात्र 4 स्टेट में होता है और हम इंडिया का सिर्फ 10% हिस्सा कवर करते हैं। और हमारा क्रेन बिजनेस भी 4 से 5 स्टेट्स में होता है, जहाँ पे हम इंडिया का सिर्फ 17 से 20% हिस्सा कवर करते हैं। तो आप देख सकते हैं, समझ सकते हैं कि हमारे पास आगे बढ़ने के लिए कितनी अपॉर्चुनिटी है। सर, ये कुछ हमारे प्लांट के फ़ोटोज़ हैं। जो पहली फ़ोटो ऑन द लेफ्ट है, ये हमारी फाउंड्री की फ़ोटो है। जैसा कि हमने बताया, ओवर 100 कंपोनेंट्स और क्रिटिकल कंपोनेंट्स भी हम यहाँ पर बनाते हैं। पूरे ट्रैक्टर और क्रेन की ट्रांसमिशन, पावर लाइन, पावर ट्रेन एंड ड्राइव यहीं बनती है। ये हमारी मशीनिंग सेंटर की एक लाइन की फ़ोटो है जिसमें सिलेंडर ब्लॉक लाइन है। ये थर्ड फ़ोटो हमारे गियर शॉप की फ़ोटो है जिसमें हम कुछ खुद की कंजम्पशन के लिए गियर्स बनाते हैं। चौथी फ़ोटो हमारे एक असेंबली लाइन की जो फैक्ट्री है उसका एक व्यू है। लेफ्ट बॉटम फोटो हमारी क्रेन की असेंबली लाइन का व्यू है। उसके साइड में हमारा शीट मेटल शॉप है और आगे हमारा प्री डिलीवरी डिस्पैच और इंस्पेक्शन है ट्रैक्टर्स का और क्रेन्स का। जैसा कि हमने आपको बताया, अभी हम थोड़े एरिया में फोकस करते हैं। हमारा करंट डीलर नेटवर्क 159 ट्रैक्टर डीलर्स एंड 16 क्रेन डीलर्स का है और इसमें बढ़ने का बहुत स्कोप और पोटेंशियल कंपनी के पास है। इस कंपनी के लिए बहुत स्केलेबिलिटी की बहुत होप्स है। स्केलेबिलिटी इस कंपनी के लिए कोई इशू नहीं है। सर, इंडो फार्म को गर्व है इस बात पर कि हमारे पास एक बहुत अच्छी मैनेजमेंट की पेडिग्री है। ये कंपनी के चेयरमैन श्री RS खडवालिया है। माई सेल्फ अंशुल खडवालिया, आई एम होल टाइम डायरेक्टर। मैंने अपनी क्वालिफिकेशन UK से की और 2012 में इस बिज़नेस को ज्वाइन किया। शुभम खडवालिया जी, जिन्होंने अपनी अंडर ग्रेजुएशन और मास्टर्स UK से की है और उन्होंने 2016 में इस बिज़नेस को ज्वाइन किया। दीक्षा खडवालिया, जिन्होंने अपनी अंडर ग्रेजुएशन यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ मैनचेस्टर से की और अपनी मास्टर्स IE फाइनेंस बिजनेस स्कूल स्पेन से की है। वो आज यहाँ अवेलेबल नहीं है बट वो कंपनी में इंटरनेशनल बिजनेस में सपोर्ट करते हैं शुभम जी को। चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट वरुण शर्मा जी, जो हमारे ग्रुप CFO हैं। कंपनी सेक्रेटरी नवप्रीत कौर जी, जिनको ऑलमोस्ट 2 डेकेड का एक्सपीरियंस है। मिस्टर CS सैनी, जो हमारे होल टाइम डायरेक्टर ऑपरेशंस के हैं, जिनका ऑलमोस्ट 35 साल का एक्सपीरियंस है और उन्होंने 25 साल मारुति में बिताए हैं। मिसेस पवनीत मिगलानी जी, जिनके पास 20 साल का एक्सपीरियंस HR और एडमिन में है। मिस्टर विशाल आनंद, जो हमारी कैप्टिव NBFC है बरोटा फाइनेंस, ये उनके CEO हैं और इंडिया के एक बहुत लीडिंग बैंक से आए हैं। और चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट गुरविंदर सिंह चड्ढा जी, ये हमारी NBFC के CFO हैं। जैसा कि मैंने आपको बताया, ये हमारे कंपनी के 3 मेन वर्टिकल्स हैं और ये उसका रेवेन्यू स्प्लिट है। बट ये ऑफकोर्स लास्ट ईयर के नंबर्स हैं जहाँ पे क्रेन आपको 45% दिख रहा है। ये लास्ट ईयर में ऑलमोस्ट 50% और इस साल ये उससे भी ज़्यादा तेज़ी से बढ़ रहा है। सर अब बात करते हैं ट्रैक्टर्स की। ऑफकोर्स कुछ चीज़ें मैं ऑलरेडी आपको पहले बता चुका हूँ, बट यहाँ पे गौर करने की ये चीज़ है कि इंजन ब्लॉक एंड इंजन हेड, गेयर्स, रेयर ट्रांसमिशन, फ्रंट ट्रांसमिशन, हाइड्रोलिक हाउसिंग, क्लच हाउसिंग, फ्रंट एक्सल ब्रैकेट और ये सारी क्रिटिकल चीज़ें हम खुद अपने घर के अंदर बनाते हैं। हमारे ट्रैक्टर्स में एज पर द इंडस्ट्री पूरे फीचर्स हैं और जैसा कि हमारे CMD सर ने बताया, हमारे पास हिंदुस्तान की ऑलमोस्ट 90% मार्केट के लिए ट्रैक्टर अवेलेबल है, हिंदुस्तान एज वेल एज एक्सपोर्ट मार्केट के लिए। ये बस हमारे पास पूरी रेंज है। रादर हमारी रेंज क्योंकि इंजन वाइज दूसरों से ज़्यादा ही है। कैसे हमारे फैक्ट्री में सब कुछ हम घर के अंदर करते हैं, तो ये हमारी बहुत अच्छी स्ट्रेंथ है, हमारी बैकवर्ड और फॉरवर्ड इंटीग्रेशन। और अब सर देखिए, जो ट्रैक्टर की डिमांड है वो इंडिया में जो हमारी करंट गवर्नमेंट का फोकस है कि किसान की इनकम को डबल करना है, वो एक बहुत बड़ा ड्राइवर है जिसके कारण ट्रैक्टर की रिक्वायरमेंट और बढ़ती रहेगी। ट्रैक्टर हमें अगर एक बात को समझें कि आज जो लोग खाना खाने वाले हैं उनकी डिमांड बढ़ रही है और जो लोग खाना उगाने वाले हैं उनकी डिमांड कम हो रही है, तो इसके कारण एक फार्मिंग में मैकेनाइजेशन की ज़रूरत है। और जब हम फार्मिंग मैकेनाइजेशन की बात करते हैं तो वहाँ पे इम्प्लीमेंट्स की यूजेज होती है, प्रिसीजन फार्मिंग की यूजेज होती है। तो इम्प्लीमेंट्स की नीड के कारण भी ट्रैक्टर्स की डिमांड और बढ़ेगी, रादर बड़े बड़े ट्रैक्टर्स की डिमांड बढ़ेगी जिसमें कंपनी की स्ट्रेंथ है। गवर्नमेंट इंसेंटिव्स, इंक्रीज फंडिंग ऑप्शंस और शॉर्टेज ऑफ लेबर जैसा कि मैंने कहा एक और इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है जिसके कारण मशीन्स पे आना पड़ रहा है और ट्रैक्टर की सेल में आप एक कंटिन्यूस 8 से 9% का CAGR देखते ही रहेंगे। इसके अलावा कंपनी इसके आगे आने वाले समय में अपने एक्सपोर्ट के लिए भी एक डेडिकेटेड यूनिट लगाकर उस पर भी काफ़ी फोकस करेंगे। So team, thank you. I will just request Mr. Shubham Khadwalia to tell us about the construction equipment division.
Good afternoon, everyone. So we at Indo Power are manufacturing one of the biggest ranges of pick and carry cranes in India, segmented into conventional machines and new generation safe cranes. Sir, जो पिक एंड कैरी क्रेन्स हम बनाते हैं ये इंडिया की वन ऑफ द मोस्ट पॉपुलर क्रेन की रेंजेस हैं जिसको यूजुअली लोग हाइड्रा या फराना के नाम से जानते हैं। आज हमारे पास भारत की सबसे बड़ी रेंज है 9 टन से लेके 30 टन की कैपेसिटी में अवेलेबल इन 2 व्हील ड्राइव एंड 4 व्हील ड्राइव वेरिएंट्स। ये जो मशीन है ये बहुत ही मल्टीपर्पज़ मशीन है विच इज़ यूज्ड इन अ वैरायटी ऑफ एप्लीकेशंस फ्रॉम कंस्ट्रक्शन टू मटीरियल हैंडलिंग, for loading, unloading, industrial applications, utility and maintenance, mining. It is these type of machines are used across a spectrum. सर इस मशीन की रिक्वायरमेंट छोटी से छोटी और बड़ी से बड़ी एप्लीकेशन के लिए होती है, जैसे कि पुटिंग अ जनरेटर ऑन टॉप फ्लोर ऑफ अ बिल्डिंग या फिर अगर आपको एक लाइट पोल इरेक्ट करना है। सो जो सबसे स्मॉलेस्ट एप्लीकेशन है ये उनके लिए भी यूज़ होती है और जो बहुत ज़्यादा क्रिटिकल एप्लीकेशंस है जैसे किसी फैक्ट्री के अंदर यूजेज में एंड ऑयल रिफाइनरीज में, सो दिस टाइप ऑफ मशीन इज़ वेरी पॉपुलर एंड इट इज़ रिक्वायर्ड एवरीवेयर। द टोटल इंडस्ट्री साइज इज़ अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 14,000 यूनिट्स, जो 2 साल पहले लगभग 7,000 यूनिट्स था। सो पिछले 2 साल में अप्रॉक्सीमेटली ये मार्केट 100% ग्रो कर गई है। These pick and carry cranes we are selling across all market segments, from hirers to corporate companies to government sectors and all big institutions. So some of our reputed clients include companies like Reliance Industries. We have supplied machines to Indian Army, Indian Railways, NTPC, various projects of L&T, from airports to bullet trains to metros, ये मशीन की रिक्वायरमेंट ऑलमोस्ट हर जगह पे है. सो जैसे कि आपने देखा, इंडिया में द फोकस ऑफ गवर्नमेंट ऑन इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर इज वेरी हाई. सो एंड जो एज इंडिया इज ट्रांजिशनिंग इनटू बिकमिंग अ $10 trillion इकोनॉमी ओवर द नेक्स्ट डेकेड, so the construction equipment industry will play a very important role in this transformation. जैसे जैसे डेवलपमेंट हो रहा है, key sectors such as roads, highways, railways are witnessing rapid growth, so creating immense opportunities for products and companies like ours. This machine primarily is replacing labor. So जो एक्टिविटी आज से कुछ साल पहले लेबर से हो सकती थी, आज वो सारी एक्टिविटी ये मशीन से होती है. तो सो द डिमांड ऑफ दिस मशीन इज गोइंग टू मल्टीप्लाई इन द कमिंग ईयर्स. I would like to request Shri Chadha ji to come and share insights about our NBFC.
Dr. Noon, Barota Finance Limited is 100% subsidiary of Indo Equipment Limited, and it is primarily established to providing retail finance facility of tractors which are manufactured by the parent company. The beauty of Barota Finance is that it is providing doorstep finance facility to the customers, and executives of Barota Finance are available at the dealership of Indo Equipment Limited, and Barota Finance is providing flexible repayment facility to the farmers as per their income pattern. And now we move forward towards the consolidated financials of the company. The total sales of the company is 376 crore rupees, and EBITDA is around 62.50 crores, and PBT is 23.90 crores, and PAT is 50.60 crores. As far as the net worth of the company is concerned, it is 317 crore rupees, and net asset base of the company is around 196 crore rupees, 200 crore rupees in the financial year 2023, and 196 crore in 2024. Thank you. I request Chairman sir to come on the dais and elaborate the next slides.
Okay, no issue. No issue, I'll speak this. Okay. Yes? You उसमें है ना slide. No issue. No issue. I'll just. Slide. You see? What are the key investment criteria why the investor should invest in our company? This company is having immense potential, as Anshul ji and Subham ji explained, because the product is very important. Creating such kind of product which take very long gestation period. Any company since last 2 decades has not came in this business, because it is having very strong entry business. So overnight, if the demand is increasing in the infra sector, overnight no other company can come and disturb the business of this company. Business is very secure, and with the growth, the existing company are going to take the benefit out of it. Because if somebody start, he'll take 15 to 20 years to come in this business. It's a very strong entry barrier in this business. Very attractive industry dynamics, because the government is supporting infrastructure like 10 trillion economy, if we are to become in the next decade, so much of infra has to be created. And creating infra, the equipment company will definitely get a good things from it, basically. So this is this, because of the manpower also, the labor is getting scarcity, and this use of this machine is replacing the labor. So therefore, this business is going to grow the way it has historically grown in the last 3 years, almost 100% growth in crane business. I expect it will continue to grow. And one day, like the backhoe loader demand is almost 60,000 numbers per annum. The crane demand last year is only 14,000. It will also grow like this only, because the crane usage is increasing. Now we are supplying crane to everywhere, to defense, to railway, to L&T, even Reliance Jamnagar. We have supplied 200 plus cranes in the new project, basically are running there. So like this, there is no no limitation for the growth of crane business. And the tractor also, because the government focus to enhance the income of the farmer is always will remain in the support of the government, will also grow. And we are expecting even tractor business to grow 6 to 7 CGR at least minimum. But for us, these figure doesn't make any sense, because we are representing only in 15% market. We'll open the new market, we'll increase the numbers, as we'll get some financial support from our NBFC. That business will also grow. We've got a fully integrated manufacturing plant. This backward integration will support us to be competitive in pricing, to control better quality, and in opening, it will support us opening of the new market, because we can go little competitive because of the costing. We are making many things in house, and one more benefit of this fully integrated plant, that we can customize any product to catch the niche market, where the big player cannot do those kind of things. We are very flexible because of making many things in house. So we are very flexible. We can create a product as per the specific need of area very quickly. Then the next point, we have got a very strong product. Strong product we have created in the last more than 2 decades working. We have created a complete range of tractors as well as construction equipment. We have got a very strong R&D. Our company started with one model when we acquired the technology from outside, from a European company, and created so large range. We are making engine up to 110 HP in-house, engine block, though, which are very critical component, head, those kind of made in our own foundry, machined in our own foundry, and total designing is done by our team. And we are achieving all this homologation norms, and whatever the statutory requirement of the government, like CM, Central Motor Vehicle Compliance Certification, well in time. Company is maintaining all these things. And the diversified business, if tomorrow, because of the monsoon, something in tractor, some kind of problem comes, we have got a construction equipment sector also. So it is a diversified business. It's minimize the risk of growing. It supports the company. And a strong promoter pedigree. I'm a first generation entrepreneur, I'm a technocrat, and as a combination is very good. My both the sons, they are commercial people, they are marketing people, and the whole family is involved. Apart from the whole family, we believe keeping a very good management. We have got in construction equipment business, we have taken the team, complete team, from the #1 company of the construction equipment, and they got more than one decade or more than 2 decades experienced people. The complete professional team is there with us. These things, everything you can understand is supporting our enterprise, and you can imagine once we deploy this money of IPO, which is enhancing our capacity of crane, which is going to be a landmark, remarkable growth of our organization, because we were having limitation only of production in crane, but there is no limitation of sale, because historically in the last 3-4 years, whatever we are producing, we are selling, and we are producing almost 100% capacity. So once this 5,000 crane capacity is created, and as I explained you, that our realization value will also increase because we are adding bigger size crane more. So average realization basic value will be around 25 lakh rupees, and 5,000 crane, you can well estimate the potential of the company, how quickly this company can achieve those kind of top lines, which will be a very remarkable, and industry is supporting us, environment is supporting us. Thank you very much. This is all I would like to say. You are the better judge. Thank you. Thanks a lot for attending this meeting. And now we can have one-to-one meetings if somebody think during tea and coffee. I think.
No, we can have the Q&A.
Okay, sorry. You can ask the individual questions. No problem.